Hi, I'm Chef Amy Hoagie, and I'm here to teach you how to play with food, where I take a classic ingredient, play around with it a little bit to create a whole new dish. Today I'm playing with sweet potatoes, and I'm going to be making sweet potato fries, softer ones for a baby. So what you're going to do is just take a raw sweet potato, you're going to do a little peeling, got to get all the peels off. Then what you're going to do is you're going to cut them into wedges, strips about this thickness. So now sweet potatoes are really dense. They're kind of like potatoes, only even denser than that. So be very careful. I'm just using a straight mini Santoku knife. I'm just going to cut it right down the middle. Going to have to wedge it a little bit. If in any of my classes, anytime anybody gets cut, it's with cutting a potato. So be very careful. And I press it down. I kind of get one edge and then I press down to get the rest of it. One edge, press down to get the rest of it. Okay. And you really don't need to make a lot, or you can just throw them in a Ziploc baggie. They should keep for probably a week in the fridge. Then what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to drizzle on some olive oil, okay, into my baking sheet. You can even kind of do this number. You can even toss it in a Ziploc bag if you want, and then shake it up a little. And then what we're going to do is we're going to take this, we're going to bake it 400 for about 15 to 20 minutes, depending on how big your slices are. All you want to do is check it with a fork and see how tender it is before you pull them out. So they're not the typical crunchy ones. You want them soft for a baby. So here you have it, the sweet potato fries for a baby. I'm Chef Amy Hoagie. Thanks for joining me. For more information, you can visit me on my website at chefamy, that's with 2 E's.com.